In this video, we're making this sausage kebab pizza, which is so yummy and very easy to make. These are all the ingredients you're going to need for the pizza dough. So first, to a bowl, take your lukewarm water and add in the sugar and mix it in. Make sure the water is only lukewarm and not too hot. Then add in the active dry yeast and mix that in. And you're going to set that aside for 10 minutes. Once your yeast has bubbled up, it's ready to go. Now take a bowl and just grease it with some oil and set it aside. In another bowl, take your flour and add in the olive oil and the salt. Mix it with clean hands. Then add in the yeast mixture to this and knead until it comes together. Once the dough has come together, you're going to continue kneading until the dough is nice and smooth. You can transfer the dough to a flat surface and keep kneading. After 8 to 10 minutes, you're going to set the dough aside in the greased bowl and grease it using a pastry brush and the olive oil. And then cover it with a cloth and let it sit in a warm place for 1 hour, after which it should have risen. Now to make the pizza, these are all the other ingredients. I'm making 2 pizzas here, so I'm going to be using half the ingredients for each pizza. So first, grease your pizza pan with some olive oil and transfer half the dough into it and press it with your fingers till it's nice and flat. And then you're going to prick the dough with a fork to make sure that it does not bubble up anywhere. And then spread your pizza sauce on top. And then place your veggies on top of this. I'm using capsicum and onion, but you can use any vegetable you like. And then sprinkle this with some salt. And then finally add your sausage and kebab pieces on top. And then sprinkle some cheese on top of this. And then you're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on it and make sure it does not burn. I also repeated this and baked the second pizza. And then serve your pizza while it's hot and enjoy. This pizza is absolutely delicious and my family loves it so much. The base is quite thin because you press it with your hands and you can control how thin you want it depending on the pan size you use. This absolutely melts in your mouth and beats Domino's pizza any day. I really hope you try this out and make sure to subscribe for more recipes. I will see you soon. Bye!